Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Atmos GR Eastfield Phase 1 which is located in New Whitefield, Bangalore, a project by Atmos Construction Private Limited. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the actual land parcel of phase 1 where the construction work is going on, and now about the marketing office is just right in front of me. So this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the details of the project. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is constructed in total 150 acres of land parcel with total 4 phases. Currently launched with phase 1 in 32.5 acres of land parcel, and here you'll be getting 426 villas of 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK of east and west facing. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located in New Whitefield off Hoskote in Bangalore. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to STRR in just 10 minutes. Delhi Public School, that is DPS, is just 10 minutes away from the project, and even ITPL in just 20 minutes of drive from the project. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you luxurious amenities with 3 acres of central garden, which includes the clubhouse of 35,000 square feet of clubhouse where the construction work of the clubhouse is just going on. And now this clubhouse includes ATM, business center, supermart, clinic and many more, and other amenities like of football ground, the basketball court, and the kids play area, garden area and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the super built up area. So 3 BHK is 20 to 39 square feet super built up area. 4 BHK is 2,720 square feet. 5 BHK of 3,200 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual land parcel also. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Atmos GR Eastfield, which is located in New Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by Atmos Construction Private Limited.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.